follow orders.
You follow orders?
Yes, we do.
Okay, well, unfortunately, that's what the Nazis said.
Okay.
Look, I got enemies, got a lot of enemies, got a lot of people trying to drain me of my energy.
His name is Attorney John Eisen.
John Eisen, I-S-E-N.
A very good Jewish business attorney.
A Jewish business attorney. You always want to use a Jewish attorney, people. Remember that. And this is from a brother talking.
You're talking, that's right, that's right. And then, thanks to John, we were able to find another Jewish attorney by the name of Dana Cole, C-O-L-E.
Dana Cold, another Jewish attorney. So you're in good hands with the Jewish attorneys.
And this Jewish attorney, by the way, off the record, his wife is a judge.
His wife is a judge.
Yes. So anyway, what happened was the district attorney rejected the felony stalking case. It was a bogus case. And so there is no stalking. And I'm going to leave everything else alone for now.
Right.
But I will say that the last time I was here protesting, I just came right here to the corner.
Right here at Irving.
Right there.
Uh-huh.
The police showed up, and so let's see what happens.
Let's see what happens.
This is the sign I was carrying, ladies and gentlemen, when I was arrested.
Okay, so now they have dropped the charges against Pastor Manning. So we are out here now to test the waters, as we say.
Yes, yes. And we want to see how long before
The police show up.
Yeah.
Of Mayor Garcetti right here. It's a Tudor style home, very nice. And here we go into the lion's den, everybody. So we got 4 vehicles here. Welcome to Mayor Garcetti's home. Very nice concrete driveway with brick inlaid, Tudor design, stained glass windows. Some, they're not all stained glass, but they are glass. And that looks like a double fireplace, probably in the family room or living room, and maybe bedroom upstairs. I can't really tell. And then you've got the rear back gate open with the trash containers. Very nice. It should be nice. Taxes pay for it. So there's a security camera at the corner up there. If everybody can wave to the security camera, everybody. Wave to that one, because they already know I'm here. And the fireplace cap up there, that is copper. Those are not cheap. You don't need copper, but the mayor has it. I'm not sure of the square footage. I didn't research that prior to coming out. So I guess I'm going to see, there's a protest going down at the corner. Let's see, there's a protest going down at the corner. Let's buzz in and see if they want to be aware of it. Let's see if they answer. Huh. Hello? Hi. Hey, there's a protest going down at the corner about the homeless with the Garcetti. I'm just letting you know, if you want to go and look at it, what they're doing. Hey, one other thing. I was walking down here, and the sidewalk on the other side has a big, the sidewalk is lifted, and I hit it and almost dropped my equipment. Luckily, nothing was damaged, but my toe hurts. I'm just letting you know they should fix that sidewalk.
Okay, thank you so much for letting us know.
Yeah. Thank you for doing that, because I've hit my toe on other sidewalks before, and it hurts.
I understand.
Okay, so anyway, there's a protest going down there. I just wanted to let you guys be informed.
Thank you.
Okay,
Take care.
you too. Okay, so I've let them know that my toe hurts and there's a protest. So that's what I did, everybody. And a man came out from the front door, so that's one of the mayor's staff people who answered it. So they have been notified. They have been notified about the protest at the corner and to fix that sidewalk over there. Let me show you some of these homes here. Very nice, aren't they? Check them out, everybody. These are nice homes. Architectural type homes, you know. These homes are not built now. You know, these are quality homes. How about this one, everybody? That's pretty nice, huh? Got the Porsche back there. Got the Beamer in the front. Got the Jeep. Maybe it's not a Jeep, maybe it's a Mercedes. What is it? No, it's a Jeep. So there you go. We got the cop coming. Okay, here comes the cop. Here comes the cop right now, doing a U-turn. See him down here, everybody? They got called, he's doing a U-turn. He's stopped now in front of the mayor's house. He's backing up now. Let's see where he's going. Here he comes. You guys ready for this? We got this cop parked here in front of the mayor's house. Well, 2 houses down, and there's 2 cops in there because you see the one cop's hand is out on the passenger window. Let's see how this goes down, everybody. Good, man. You guys on a call? Did I call?
Yeah.
No, I don't call cops.
Okay.
What? Why did somebody call you for?
Yeah.
I don't know for what.
They're just I guess they're saying that there's going to be protesters coming, so just keeping the peace there.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Well, there's a protest going on right down there at the corner with an individual already.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. But there's nothing illegal about that.
No.
So you guys get a call, and then what happens? You just observe to see if everything's orderly?
I don't know yet, sir. We have a supervisor coming out.
Okay. Okay, so a supervisor determines what the next step is.
We just follow orders.
You follow orders?
Yes, we do.
Okay, well, unfortunately, that's what the Nazis said.
Okay. Well, you have a good day, sir, okay?
Yep. I'm having a good one. I've already, actually, I went to the mayor's house to inform them about not only a protest was going to happen down here. I'm sure that I might have spoken to an officer security in there for the mayor, which is understandable, and she thanked me for it. Very cordial and professional. But I also pointed out that I almost tripped. Well, I did trip and hurt my toe on the sidewalk. There's a lot of sidewalks that the city should fix. You know, have you ever tripped on a sidewalk?
I don't live in the city of LA.
Oh, you don't? Well, you're lucky. But wherever you live, have you ever tripped on one? Because they hurt.
Of course.
The toes hurt. So anyways, you're just waiting for a supervisor, huh?
We are.
Okay. Well, I'll hang out with you guys. You do what you got to do. But I guess following orders, that's what you're going to do. Yeah. Okay. You don't know who called then, huh? Okay. Okay. All right. Well, I'll just hang out with you here.
We're going to be driving.
Oh, you are? Okay. All right, drive around. Do what you got to do, drive around.
All right.
Can I go for a ride along?
No, you cannot do that right now. You have to apply.
Apply?
For that.
I got to sign up?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, ride-alongs, do you always have to be in the back seat?
No, well, you don't do it. It's not a. You're going to be, if you do apply for the ride along, you ride along with the supervisor.
Oh, a supervisor.
Yeah.
And how long do those last when you go out?
I'm not too sure.
Not too sure? Okay. All right. And what's your name, officer?
I'm Officer Cho.
Cho? And what's your badge number?
43274.
43274 is your badge number. Appreciate it. And you are Officer who, sir?
Padilla.
Padilla?
Padilla.
Codia?
Yeah.
Thanks. And your badge number?
13275.
13275. Thanks for both identifying with your badge numbers and your name. You guys have a good day.
All right, you gotta take care, sir.
Okay. All right, everybody. So they identified their names and badge numbers. And they're going to be driving around. Here we go. Here we go. That's it. They called out because they're expecting a big protest. This is what happened. We got the LAPD, man. They've got the Ghetto bird out here. And I'm going to go back and they're expecting a big protest here. So they're flying around the mayor's house. So this turned into a big event, everybody. We got the Ghetto bird, we got LAPD for the protest. If I cross here, are you gonna write me up for jaywalking? No, you won't?
I'm gonna give you a spirit of the law on that one.
Right on. You're giving me a spirit of the law? I appreciate it. I'm gonna go over. But it is illegal though, right? All right, he's giving me a spirit of the law. I'm gonna walk. All right, I'm taking you up on that. All right, well anyways, they called out the helicopter on the protest. They're expecting, I think, a couple thousand people, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. Be prepared. You might want to call more reinforcements too. There's gonna be thousands of us here. Okay, everybody. That's my best guess. I can't make a promise. That's kind of what I'm thinking and hoping.
That man told me there's a policy for shooting unarmed black and Hispanic men. Right there. What do you mean, what man? Him.
He's got it on video.
I got it on video.
And his partner said, shut up, and they drove away.
Absolutely.
It's on video.
Now those days, Sergeant Lawrence, since you're sergeant, these days are over. I'm not gonna have you treat me like I'm a violent thug. I'm a pastor. I house the homeless. I feed the hungry. You bring in 2 bodyguards. You got the Glock. I don't have a weapon.
I don't need a bodyguard.
You have a weapon. Well, okay, well tell them to get back in their car and keep trucking. I don't want them anywhere near them.
They can stay right
I'm
there.
offended by them.
It's okay.
I'm offended.
It's okay. We're here to talk about the restraining order, right? What's louder than I am?
I want to know who's driving the doggone car.
I will tell
I need
you.
to know who's driving the car.
I will tell you.
Tell me that.
Okay?
That's all I want to talk about.
Okay, but I'm telling you.
And I'm telling you, I don't want to hear that. Get out of my face and go find out what I am. You won't forget. You're wearing my uniform that I paid for, my badge and my gun.
You're here for me, sir.
And I'm
You want
asking
to
you,
talk?
who is
If
driving
you
the car?
want to talk,
I want to file a complaint on the person driving the car. And you have a duty to tell me who it is.
No, I don't have to tell you. Tell me what your complaint is, and I will investigate.
Why you get so close to me, son? Are you arresting me? I don't want people to watch me. Bill, get your camera on.
I can.
Keep backing up and you keep going forward. God bless you, man.
Okay?
Just walk out on me. Okay? Walk out.
What's your complaint? What's your
Thank you.
complaint?
You're beautiful. My complaint is I want to know who's driving that car. And I want to file a complaint on you for getting so far in my face and yelling at me like you talking to a child. So who's your supervisor? What's his last name?
Ortega.
Okay, I want to talk to Lieutenant Ortega.
Okay, well, he's at the station.
And these thugs. I'll come to the station. I'm not afraid of the station.
Fine.
Been there before.
Then you can go to the
You
station.
fabricated the case on.
I didn't fabricate anything.
Who's driving the car, devil?
What?
Who is driving the car? All you gotta do is ask him.
We're done, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, get out of my face, devil. Devil. Get a good look at that devil. Get a good look at that devil. Get a good look at that devil. Get a good look at him.
Okay.
He's a devil.
Your restraining order?
He's a devil.
Your restraining order starts
Our
mid-block
restraining order
right
starts
here.
mid-block over there.
No, it starts right here. Mid-block.
Where would you like to stay?
Mid-block.
Where? Where would you like to stay?
Mid-block between Irving and Broad. exactly what needs to be said.
You got within 2 feet of him, Sarge.
That doesn't matter. There is no restraining as far as talking to people. That's all we're trying to do here.
Isn't there a 6-foot rule?
No, well, is there? But we're all wearing masks.
But the governor says it.
We're all wearing masks. The 6-foot rule is if you can't, we're here talking. That's all we're doing.
All right. So let me try again, Sergeant. Is there any way you can tell me? Those officers are driving around.
No, I'm not going to tell you. You said that they made some kind of an allegation, so I'm going to talk to them. I'll review their body-worn video, and if there's misconduct, then I will handle it. That's the way it's done. No, you're demeaning to myself, sir.
I know about white privilege, but I'm a man.
I'm not even white. I'm Hispanic.
So you acting like you're white. So
I
if
am
go to
not.
your white.
What is that? What is acting? What is acting white?
What you're doing right now, you're meaning me.
I'm
Trying to
not
talk to me like I'm a
doing
child.
anything.
You're a devil, and that's what you're acting like. And if you go measure 200 feet, I guarantee you you're wrong. It's the middle of that street there. If you go measure it.
Well, you can try it.
No, I've already had it measured, Sergeant. And I can take you to it.
From here to the house is way beyond 200 feet.
Okay. First, you got to get your facts right. The restraining order says 100 yards from the house.
No, it
That's
doesn't.
no. That's
No. That's a lie.
I have it.
It doesn't.
I have it.
It doesn't say it.
It said, no. He's wrong. It says.
To the lieutenant.
Oh, I'm not his errand boy.
He's way down there, and I'm not going to deal with him anymore. Unless he comes past that.
If he wants, you're telling me to tell him if he wants to make a claim against you to go to the station. But like I said, I'm not your errand boy, and you said you're not going to deal with him anymore. So I guess.
Over there, why would I have to? He's beyond the restraining order thing. I don't need to. We'll be here monitoring. That's it.
Why didn't you tell him at the time?
He walked away.
No,
That's all right.
before he walked away. Okay, so you're going to monitor it? All right. Well, I'm not positive, but they're expecting 7,000 to 8,000 people down here for a protest.
That's fine. And they have the right to do so.
Yep. I'm not sure of the exact amount. It might be more, it might be less. But that's what everybody's expecting. Pardon me?
Anything new? We have a protest here all the time.
Right. Just don't shoot people. And we're going to be interested in finding out what that policy is with the LAPD, that there is a policy about shooting unarmed black, Hispanic, and black men, which was reiterated twice by the officer here.
Watch the video a little better.
Watch my video? I didn't record it.
Well, watch this. I clearly said what I said, and I didn't say anything what you're saying I said.
Well, the video doesn't lie.
It doesn't. I hope you put that on the internet. Put that on the internet.
Okay, you please? Okay. So now this cop is saying that's not what he said. I'm gonna walk down here because these guys will have me up for jaywalking for sure. So now he's talking to the Sarge about what happened. So they can't have me up because I did the crosswalk. So I'm coming up against 5 of them, everybody. We got 5 cops and News Now California in his high heels. Here we go. They're monitoring the situation. I don't know where Sergeant Smith left. She probably felt bad. No, she didn't feel bad when she filed those trumped up charges against Pastor Manning on disorderly conduct and felony stalking, that the district attorney, or the city attorney, dropped all charges. All charges. And then the Sergeant Laura is saying the distance of the restraining order, which is different from the actual restraining order that Pastor Sherman Manning has on the distance. Sergeant Laura says it's 300 feet. Pastor Manning says it's 200 feet. And it's certainly more than 200 feet from Mayor Garcetti's home to where we're standing way over here. 200 feet, that's probably a good 1,000 feet when you go to this building here, and then all the way down the sidewalk. So that's where that issue stands, where Sergeant Laura says he wanted to give me facts, but those aren't the facts. He doesn't have the facts, which is unfortunate that he wants to tell me something that he says is facts, but are not the facts. And that's a fact. So right now we are out here with the LAPD, who is observing the situation or monitoring the situation for the protests that will be excessive in size. To my understanding, there will be thousands of people down here today. And as Sergeant Laura indicated, they're used to that. They handle protests all the time. I'm not sure of the exact amount, but my estimation is there'll be thousands. It will be like a ZZ Top, concert without ZZ Top. So here we are. At least I have shade. If you just dropped in, thank you for joining my live feed. I'm out here today with Pastor Sherman Manning at Mayor Garcetti's house, where LAPD has arrived, and the Officer Smith who arrested him and with trumped up charges of illegal stalking or felony stalking and disorderly conduct were dismissed. So we came out here for a protest at the corner regarding the homeless, and we expected the cops to show up, which they did. If you just joined me, as I say, I went earlier to advise the people at the mayor's house that there would be a protest coming, and we wanted to make sure that Pastor Manning was in compliance with the restraining order distance. The first time I didn't make his name known. I just indicated that there'd be a protest, and I tripped on the sidewalk. They need to get the sidewalk fixed. And then I went back a second time to indicate that Pastor Manning is the one who is leading the protest, and that he wants to make sure, or we want to make sure, that the restraining order isn't violated by him being a certain distance away. And as soon as I mentioned Pastor Sherman Manning, and I think I actually did finish the part about the restraining order, there was no response other than a click, and they hung up on me. So that's where that went. So we are out here now, and we're all having a sing-along. We did what we needed to do. We brought attention to the situation. So you guys can hang tight with me while I may walk back, because I'm figuring these guys are going to follow me. I think I'm just going to walk down the block here, because they can't stop me. All right, I'm taking off, man. Just tell Smith she's a dirty cop, man.
All right, sir, I'll let her know.
You promise?
I'll let her know what you told her.
Good. Trumped up charges, not the way to go. Not a good representation for LAPD, man. It's just not right.
Okay, I got it.
Good. Let it sink in.